Aspose.PSD converter allows you an easy and fast conversion from a range of input file formats into various output formats. First, you need to upload a file or a range of files to the input field. You can do this either by clicking the input field or by dragging and dropping the input file into the input field. Now you may select from a range of output file formats to convert your input file into. When you are ready, click the Convert button and your input files will be converted to the desired output file format. Then you may download the converted result. Since the conversion may take a long time, you may additionally specify an email to send the conversion result link to. Please note that this is just a demo showing a subset of features that Aspose.PSD is capable to perform. You can download the full product for more features, link is at the video description. We hope that you have found this little tutorial useful. Thanks for watching.